Hi, I'm Gareth from Detectortesters, and today I will be showing you step by step how to register your company, register your device, and then get onto the app and start using DT Connect. So the first thing is to register the company, and the way that you do that is by logging on to detectortesters-connect.com. You'll then be brought to the sign-in screen. Because we're creating a new account, we'll go down to the create account option. You'll then be presented with these fields to fill in. So if you just put all of the relevant information in on there, you'll then be presented with another screen, which is essentially registering your company, the address, and all of the contact details. And essentially at this point, you'll be setting yourself up as the administrator. And at this point, you'll receive a confirmation email to the email that you registered with DT Connect. And then when you go back into the login, you'll be able to sign in with the email address that you have been given. If you've not verified your email address, then you'll receive this screen. And then once you're logged in, you'll be presented with the DT Connect portal screen, where you'll see sites, devices, job reports, technicians, and settings along the top. You can then register your device simply by going onto the device tab and then selecting the add new device. From here, you'll enter in the serial number of the device. And then as soon as you select add device, you'll then be presented with the device type, in this case the XTR2. With the XTR2 you get a grace period. At the moment it's 90 days, and you'll be able to see the serial number. And from here you'll be able to subscribe or view the device. You can then also, in the settings menu, upload a company logo, view your company details, change your password, and obviously sign out as well. With our connected products, you get a trial period to experience the premium DT Connect experience. You can then also subscribe, which will take you through to a Stripe payment platform. From here, you can enter in your payment details and then register your product for the subscription. When you want to invite other technicians to your company, if you select the Technicians tab, then the Add New User, enter in their details, email address. You can select whether or not they will be given admin access or not, and what admin access means is they'll be able to come on to the DT Connect web platform. If they don't have admin access, they will still be able to use the DT Connect app, but without the admin access to the portal. Once you've entered the details in, select Add New User. In the settings menu, you'll see that there's a company ID. In a similar way, if you wanted to invite somebody to the company, you could take the company ID and then send it to them so that they'll be able to join your company. So now we've registered our company and our device on the DT Connect portal, we can now move over to the DT Connect app. You can download the DT Connect app on the Google Play or Apple App Store. Once you've loaded it, you'll be presented with the DT Connect screen, which you can scroll through and then hit the Get Started button, which will then be presented with your email address. If you enter in the same email address and password as what you use to log into your portal. And then from here, you are now in the DT Connect app. You'll be able to see the company name as well as a number of settings within the app, such as your profile, the companies that you are registered to, and some help and useful functions. To connect your device, make sure your device is turned on. Then on the app, hit the Connect Device button. You'll be presented with the serial number or serial numbers of any devices available. We select that and then hit the Confirm button. It will then connect to your device. If you're using an XTR2, the first time that you pair, you will need to enter in a bond-in code. After that, it will just pair as usual. Then once your DT Connect app is connected to your device, you're ready to test.